Hello YouTube! Welcome to another video of Lifestyle and Sneakers. We're here now at Titan UP Town Center. Titan is one of the best sneaker shops in Manila and probably the best basketball sneaker shops in the Philippines.
That's great. That's it. So now we're gonna check out what sneakers they have in this shop, and probably let's see if we think of purchasing anything. Let's go. So we're now here at the Jordan Wall in this Titan shop. So they have different kinds of Jordans. Actually, there are a lot of nice sneakers over here that I'm wondering why they're sitting on shelves. So first up, we have this FIBA Jordan 4. Very nice colorway, red. I actually like it, honestly, but I'm not sure why is it still on shelves. The price of these sneakers is actually $8,995. So maybe that's the reason. But yeah, this is definitely one top pick. There's a Jordan 3 or this Tinker Jordan 3. 3M reflective on the palm, 3M reflective on the swoosh. Very nice sneakers. Again, sitting on shelf. But so guys, if you're interested to get these pair, definitely drop by at Titan. So we're here at UP Town Mall or UP Town Center. So this sneakers is actually at 10,645 pesos. So yeah, check it out. Then Cool Grace, another nice colorway, but I'm not really sure. Yeah, not a lot of people purchase this, or probably they have so many stocks. They miscalculated or didn't anticipate that there's not a lot of demand for this one. But yeah, these are actually, check the price. I think it's the same as the FIBA, 9,800. There's no price there. So then they have this full 3M reflective Jordan 7. I mean, Jordan 7 is not really a popular silhouette, and I don't think, because I remember about 4 or 5 years ago they released a Jordan 13 full 3M reflective. I got a pair that was not really that popular, so that's maybe the reason why this one also. And the Jordan, yeah, they also released a Jordan 6 version of these. This one I'm not gonna talk about because I really don't like it. They butchered the Jordan 1, so yeah, but better not talk about it. Now this one, Jordan 13, I like the Jordan 13 silhouette. This is the Lakers colorway. I think Kobe Bryant wore these sneakers while he was still playing with the LA Lakers. So yeah, definitely a good colorway. Again, sitting on shelf. So this is 9,800 pesos. So we have another Jordan Wall here. We have the Jordan 6. And it's actually on sale. Now it's only at 8,500 from 10,000. So if you're interested, you can get this from Titan. Then you also have this, I think this is a new release, recent release, camo version of this Jordan 10. Woodland camo, if I'm not mistaken. So it's not that popular, 9,445. We have this FIBA Jordan 12, 9,445 as well. Very clean color, white, and then not sure if you could see. This part is actually, it has a lot of, not sure if it's graffiti or not really sure. But anyway, it's a nice colorway. Then we have the Jordan 33 in blue, royal blue colorway. Nice one. No sale, right? No. Then we have the gray color, 33. This is 9,800. We have the Westbrooks. This is at 6,745. This is kind of nice colorway, but I do love the other colorway, the red orbit one. This one I'm not sure why they released. Honestly, peach color. Definitely I'm not gonna get this one. So they have another FIBA Jordan 4, the Tinker, then the Jordan 13. They have this Michigan Jordan 5s, which is at 10,600. Very nice colorway actually. It kind of gives you the Tokyo vibe, the Tokyo 5. Another cool gray, another Jordan 1. This one is, these are the Jordan D5. So I actually like the colorway of this one.
It's like looks like ice cream.
It's like ice cream or banana split. And then lastly, they have this reverse Ferrari. I have a pair of these, which I'm still thinking if what I'm gonna do because I haven't worn it yet. So yeah, so these are all the Jordans that they have here at Titan in UP Town Center.
So we're here now at the Nike Basketball Wall. We have the LeBron Soldier here. So this is the new Soldier one. We have the straps like you're wearing some inline skates. Then probably a Laker colorway here, and a white and black one. Then you have the new KD shoes, KD 12. Right? So this one is very good performance sneaker. Full zoom, mesh material here with a wiring inside for the sole for the support. Fly wire, right? Quad axial fly wire. So another KD 12 colorway. Then you have the PG. This one is a red one. This one is a Zoom Rice. We have two colorways. This white and red one, and this blue, black, and white. Then we have the coming to America Freak one. Very nice colorway. Then we have the Rose colorway of the Freak one. This one is also a very good a basketball sneaker, very light. Then we have this Alpha Dunk in the pink and black and green colorway. No one likes those. Then we have LeBron 3. We have the LeBron 3 in what do you call it, UNC or?
It's not UNC. I think it's more of like LA Clipper colorway.
So LeBron 3, LA Clipper colorway. Then we have my favorite shoe in this wall, which is the LeBron 16 lows. Yeah, I really like this black one. And I also like this black and white one. Too bad they don't have the lilac color one. That one is I really like. Then we have the Kyrie here. And Kyrie this is called Black Kyrie split. The rainbow at the bottom.
So now we are at the Adidas Wall. So first up we have this Marquee Boost. Nice colorway, orange, very head turner. They have also the Hardened Volume 3s, different colorway. This one is like a peach orange colorway. Then you have this orange. I think these are the All-Star, I'm not sure. Then you have this black and yellow and the red colorway of the Hardest. Actually, this is kind of nice because you have black boost. Then you have the Marvel or Stark Industry colorway. This is the Iron Man theme. Over here we have the Dawn 1 or the Donovan Mitchell sneakers. So this is a black and green colorway. We also have the Spider-Man colorway over here and this red and gold colorway. Over here we have the Dames. Dame 5, so different colorway. You have this black and gold, this black, purple and red, orange and black, and then this camo colorway. I'm not really sure, guys, but yeah, this is actually nice. You have like semi-gum bottom, green, definitely nice sneakers. Then you have this Pro Bounce, which is, I think, a very good basketball sneakers. So yeah, this is 5,800 pesos only. And then lastly, they have the newly released Hardened Volume 4. So this is in a pink colorway. It has suede material on the toe, mesh material in pink as well. They have different materials on the upper of these sneakers. The heel is also in mesh. They have this, I'm not sure if this is suede, like almost a suede material. Then this is not loose, but it's really soft, and the traction is very good. So yeah, I heard that these sneakers almost went sold out in 2 days. So yeah, a lot of people like these Hardened Volume 4. Here at Titan, they also have NBA apparels like these jerseys. If you're looking for a Kobe Bryant number 8 jersey, they still have it here. We have LeBron's. We have 24 Kobe, Steph Curry, you have Giannis, and you have James Harden. I think this one is Ben Simmons. So yeah, they also have shorts, hoodies, t-shirts. So yeah, if you want NBA apparels, then you can also check it out. So guys, we're done with our visit at Titan. As you can see at the back, they also have a barber shop. So
They also have an in-store barber shop. So you buy your sneakers, you cut your hair, have a shave.
yeah, one-stop shop.
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, I hope you like the sneakers that we showed you. They have so many nice sneakers, and as you all probably know, that Titan is always there whenever there's a hype sneakers that will be releasing. So they're one of the go-to sneaker shops.
Especially for Jordan brands.
Yes, exactly. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please press the subscribe button. Also, follow us in all our social media accounts. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok.
Until next time.